If you're looking for a folding knife that actually deserves a place in your everyday carry, don't scroll away just yet. Today I'm taking a closer look at this EDC, folding knife from the overall, designed to the smallest details. And honestly, the first thing you notice is how compact, solid, and premium it feels in the hand. Let's start with the overall design. The knife features a clean, modern folding design with sharp lines and a very streamlined appearance. Nothing feels overly complicated or exaggerated. When folded, it stays compact enough to carry in your pocket or gear bag without taking up too much space. The proportions between the blade and handle are also very well balanced. It feels substantial in your hand, but not unnecessarily bulky. Now let's take a closer look at the blade. The blade has a strong, aggressive profile with a clean and precise finish. Take a look at the tip, the spine, and the edge. You can really see the attention to detail in the machining and surface finish. The blade lines are clean, and the overall design gives the knife a very premium, tactical EDC look. If you're into collecting or carrying EDC gear, this kind of simple and functional design is hard to ignore. So, what do you think? Clean design, solid construction, comfortable grip, smooth action, an easy pocket carry. If you're building your EDC setup, this is definitely a knife worth taking a closer look at.